Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is my unboxing of the Dulce collection that I picked up from Frank Garcia. I've already took it out the box, so I didn't want to have to do all that on camera. But look, you guys, I love the way he sends his packages. They're always in pretty tissue paper with the cute little sticker. And I am so excited. I've been seeing so many people post this collection. And of course, I have a second order coming. But oh my gosh, you guys. I know I said I wasn't going to shop, but this collection needed to be bought. So, of course, I did. Let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so the first thing I got here are the puffy stickers. And look, you guys, they're so pretty. I'm so glad I got another pack. Look at the cute little ticket. I love the colors, so girly. And the name is so cute. Look at the little guy. Oh, I cannot wait to make memory dex cards out of this collection. That's what I wanted it for. That's why I went back and bought another one. Look at the chipboard, you guys. So cute. You guys need to pick this collection up. If you don't want to buy any collection, this is a must-have. Super pretty. And the thing with these collections is once they go, they're gone, you guys. And then you're paying an arm and a leg to get your hand on them. I did pick up the little mini flowers. I love tiny flowers. Super cute. And you get 120 pieces. But they're super tiny. I also picked up the small journaling cards because you guys know I love to make handmade cards. Oh, let me see if I could take this off. The little sticker. I did go back and pick up the other ones, the 6x4 I think it is, or 4x6. So these are the little journaling cards. And here's like a little flip through. They're double-sided. Look, you guys. And you know I love to layer on my handmade cards. So I wanted to definitely get the 3x4. So I picked that up. I picked up both ephemera packs. I'm not going to take them out because I'm pretty sure you guys have seen them already. You get 38 in one and 24 in another. But these are the pieces that you get. So cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to play. I picked up the 8x8 paper pad. Let's take off this little sticky thingy. So excited. This I might have to play with tonight. Look at that. And then we got, oh, it's on both sides. Sheesharoonies. Okay. There we go. So let's do a little flip through. Look at that. So pretty. And I'm not usually like a shabby chic girl, but this collection, I had to have it. Look at that pink plaid. So beautiful. Look at that. Yay. I'm gonna, on my second order, I ordered the 6x6. I'm not sure yet if I want the 12x12 because I usually don't use that. I make small crafts. I did get 3 sheets for the cut aparts, and this is what they look like. That's the opposite side. And then we have these. These are perfect for handmade cards. You guys know I love me some cards. That's the opposite side of that one. And then we have this one. I also picked up some more of these. Oh, you guys, you need to pick this collection up. I know that's enabling, but you need it. Trust me, you need it. It's gorgeous. And that's it for this video. Stay tuned for my next haul when I receive it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye guys.